Hey everyone, Keith from Tuck here. Today we're going to be testing the Level Sleep Mattress, which is an all-foam mattress, and it's actually pretty unique because it's zoned. So in different parts of the mattress, it's going to be firmer or softer. It's got a lot of testing behind it. It's got chiropractors that really believe in it, but how does it stand up to Tuck's tests? Keep watching to find out. Helping us test the mattress today, we have our lightweight sleeper, Elizabeth, our average weight sleeper, Charles, and our heavyweight sleeper, Mary. Before unboxing the Level mattress, take it to its intended destination. Grab a friend as it's a bit unwieldy for one person to do alone. Take the mattress out of the box and cut it out of the plastic. Give it about 12 to 24 hours to fully recover. The Level Sleep Mattress is a 10-inch zoned memory foam mattress. It's actually quite unique as it has 3 different firmnesses throughout the surface of the bed. The cover is made from stretched polyester and is both removable and washable. The comfort layer consists of 3 inches of memory foam. Starting at the head of the bed, you have a softer foam which allows your head and shoulders to sink into the mattress, followed by firm foam which supports your lower back, followed by a medium foam, which helps absorb the pressure your hips place on a mattress, followed by softer foam for your feet. The support core is composed of 7 inches of high-density polyfoam. The Level mattress has 3 different firmnesses throughout the surface of the bed. The soft, which is about a 3 out of 10, the firm, which is a 7 out of 10, and the medium, which is a 5.5 out of 10. While we do classify the Level mattress as a memory foam bed, it has quite a unique feel compared to a traditional memory foam mattress. It's conforming yet way more responsive than the average memory foam bed. The 3 firmnesses throughout the mattress are very unique, do help align the spine, and give it a feel unlike any other bed we've tested. To test support, we look at spinal alignment for each of our 3 sleepers when sleeping on their side. The Level mattress did a great job of keeping our light and average weight sleeper spine in alignment, and a pretty good job with our heavyweight sleeper too. To test for motion isolation, we use a water glass and our heavier weight sleeper moving around on the opposite side of the mattress. The Level Sleep mattress performed very well in our motion isolation tests. As you can see, the glass barely moves, even on the firmest part of the mattress. In our edge support testing, we gave the Level mattress a fair. As you can see, there was significant sinkage for each of our sleepers when sitting on the side of the bed. It does depend upon where you sit though, because you'll get a bit more support if you sit on the firm part of the mattress. When laying on the side of the bed, each of our sleepers actually felt fairly supported due to that firm layer underneath the lower back. Using our 2D and 3D pressure mapping tools, we're able to see how much pressure relief a mattress should give a sleeper. As you can see, for light and average weight sleepers, the Level mattress performed very well. We don't see any peaking, so red or even yellow for either sleeper. For heavier weight sleepers, you'll notice a little bit of pressure on the upper back and side, but overall it still performed well. Now let's take a look at temperature neutrality. Similar to other memory foam mattresses, the Level mattress might sleep hot for some. That said, it performed better than your average memory foam bed due to the firmer foam holding you up versus engulfing you in the mattress. This allowed for a bit more breathability and less trapped heat. Now let's check in with our mattress testing team. Elizabeth, what did you think of the Level mattress?
Well, initially I wasn't a fan, but as time went on, I found myself relaxing into it, and I actually ended up liking it quite a bit.
The fact that it's different densities and firmnesses makes your body angled. I didn't really like that too much. I felt like I was sliding backwards when I was on my back. On the side, it's less noticeable, so I guess it's better for a side sleeper.
I have mixed feelings about it. I think I could get comfortable after a while. I definitely felt the pressure release off my back.
Do you felt like it supported better posture?
Yes. Well, I slouch throughout the day and my posture isn't great, so I feel like if I had this bed, my posture could possibly improve from it.
Now let's take a look at how the Level stacked up to Tuck's mattress testing. The Level Sleep mattress has a unique feel, and it's not your typical memory foam bed. It has 3 different firmnesses, it's closely conforming in parts and less so in others. Support was very good for light and average weight sleepers and good for heavyweight sleepers. Motion isolation was very good. Edge support was fair, which is on par with other memory foam mattresses, and does actually change depending upon where you are on the bed. Pressure relief was very good for light and average weight sleepers, and good for heavier sleepers. And lastly, temperature neutrality was good.
A few takeaways from our Level mattress testing. The Level Sleep mattress has a very unique feel with the multiple firmnesses all the way down the mattress, so it can be a great option for some, but it's not gonna feel normal for others. It takes a bit of getting used to. If you prefer a bouncy inner spring mattress, this mixed foam feel is not gonna be for you. This mattress isn't for budget conscious sleepers. It's a little more expensive than your average mixed foam mattress. We recommend a Level Sleep mattress for those who suffer from back pain. It does have that unique setup and construction that supports the back in a variety of different ways. We recommend the Level Sleep mattress for side sleepers. We recommend the Level Sleep mattress for couples, especially because the edge support is great for a mixed foam mattress and the motion isolation is fantastic.
Here's some additional information you'll want if you're considering purchasing the Level mattress. It comes with a 365-night sleep trial, ships free, and comes with an 11-year warranty. For up-to-date pricing and discounts available exclusively for Tuck followers, check out the written review on tuck.com.
That's it for this review. Please give us a like or subscribe to our channel if you found this helpful. Visit tuck.com for the full written review and to continue your sleep search. If you have any questions about the mattress or want a personalized recommendation, go ahead and leave a comment below and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. Sleep tight.